In the U.S., emergency operators are trained to quickly collect location details and send officers, even when callers are panicked or unclear. This saves crucial seconds in life-threatening incidents.
Suspect on the west side walk, northbound Corbin from Prairie, approaching Plummer.
On what sidewalk? Northwest?
Alright, 903, you passed him. And 803. He's going to be crossing over to the east side of Corbin. And look at that. Alright, we'll make it a backup for these officers. He's not going to comply. Southbound Corbin towards Prairie on the east side, still riding the skateboard.
Air 10 is requesting.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Spread your fucking feet! Spread your feet!
Put your arms out to the side! Don't move!
Keep coming. Make a right. 95, make a right. Alright, go to the next opening. Behind that building, go to the next.
Don't move! Go back! You're gonna get shot! Don't fucking move!
Go east. Make a right there. Drive. Make a right. Right there. And then go to the...
Put your hand out where we can see it!
Put your hands out to the
Don't
side!
move!
You're gonna hold there. You're gonna use your black.
Don't fucking move! You're gonna be shot!
You'll see the officers just off your left side.
Stay still on the ground!
Sufficient units hold. I'll call it Prairie, or correction, Corbin, north of Prairie on the east side.
Sufficient units only Corbin, north of Prairie on the east side.
I got it.
Where's the ground?
Why is it bleeding?